Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hello everyone. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Identity English Version School, Barakshat. Today I am going to take an English first paper class for class 8 students. Our today's topic, Unit 6, Lesson 4, Discussions. So let's see my dear students. Class 8, subject, English first paper, topic, Unit 6, Lesson 4 discussion, term annual, lecture 4, SW will be 3, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's start our today's class. As you can see, this is English first paper, Unit 6, Lesson 4, boarding the plane, annual term, lecture 4. Let's read. Read the text and answer questions 1 and 2. Mita, Jara, Mr. and Mrs. Islam all sit at the lounge. Lounge? What is a lounge? Lounge is a place in an airport where people take rest or wait for to fly. They all have hand luggage with them. Mr. Islam asks, Mita, Jara, are you two carrying any liquid, lotion, gel or cream in your carry-on luggage? I have a small lip gel in it. Why, uncle? Well, if it is very small one, there is no problem. But if you have more than 100 ml, you have to put in the checked-in luggage. So these are not allowed on board in hand luggage. For security reasons, the officials who do the baggage checking will seize and throw them away. Mita, Jara, Jomuna, this will be Joma Islam, J-S-E-U-M-A, Joma Islam and Mazharul Islam go through the security checking and wait in enclosed area. All the formalities are done. Now they are waiting to board the plane. Mita, Jara and her parents board the plane after their row number is announced. Announcement is declared. Mita gets the window seat. Her seat number is F23C. Jara sit beside her on an aisle seat and her parents seat behind them. So let's see choose the best answer. Number A, Jara gets A and dash seat. So Jara gets an aisle seat. So aisle means number B, what is Mita's seat number? Mita's seat number is F23C. Number C, how much liquid or gel is allowed to carry in a hand luggage? 100 ml. Over 100 ml is not allowed. Let's go to this page. Number D, now they are waiting to board the plane. Here is board is participle infinite phrase preposition. So to board, before a verb, if we find to, this is called infinitive. Who carries lip gel? Mita is carrying. Jara, Mita, Mr. Islam, Mrs. Islam. Mita is carrying lip gel. Number F, no baggage is dash unchecked. Gone, goes, went, going. So no baggage is gone unchecked. The word isle means a small island, a big island, a medium island, a very big island. Isle means a small island, but in this passage, in airplane, isle means the seat beside the window. Number A is Mita sits dash the window. So Mita sit beside the window, not behind, beneath, in front, no. Number I, where are Jara's parents' seats? Behind, before, beside, in front, behind Jara and Mita. So number J, Mita gets a dash seat. So Mita gets a window seat while Jara gets an aisle seat. So this is our today's lecture, my dear students. SW3 submit on Saturday, Unit 6, Lesson 4, question answer. So these are the question answer. You will do SW. Number 2, answer the following questions. This is your SW. Number A, who sit at the lounge? Who sit at the lawn? Number B, what do they all have? Number C, who gave some advice to Mita? Number D, what is Mita carrying with her? will be your SW. So my dear students, do your assign SW at home and submit on Saturday. So thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. Avoid bad parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.